Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well and doing safe. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Dipanita. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys this look right here that I have created for a date night. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and this is the right time to share such kind of sexy glam makeup look, isn't it? जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने यूज़ की है all of them are easily available on Amazon, so don't forget to check out the description box because I will be providing the buying links over there and you can get these products on discount because obviously it's Valentine's Day, so Amazon will be having amazing discounts. Now without any more blabbering, let's get started with today's video. Let's go. This is that I'm wearing is from Olens and it's from their Spanish range. The shade is real grey. These lenses are so comfortable, you guys. You will not feel that you are wearing one. So I have applied my lenses. Now let's start the makeup. So I'm starting off by applying Maybelline Fit Me TV Plus Smooth primer with vitamin E. This one is for normal to dry skin. It's an illuminating primer, but don't expect that it will work as a strobing cream. After that, for the foundation, I'm using Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation and I'm using two shades, F12 and F9. F12 is little bit dark on my skin, whereas F9 is way too light on my skin. So I'm using F9 to highlight my face and F12 as my foundation shade. So you guys can see that I'm applying F9 under my eyes, bridge of my nose, chin, forehead, just to highlight my face. And after that I will blend the foundation using a flat foundation brush. If you have dry or combination skin type, then I would highly recommend this foundation to you. But if you have oily skin, then it might look a little bit cakey if you don't set it properly. So yeah, that's that. Next, for the concealer, I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C11, which is my exact skin tone match, and this is my second purchase, by the way. This foundation provides full coverage. It blends like a dream. You can blend it with both brush and beauty blender. So I'm applying it under my eyes, around my mouth, around my nose, forehead, and blending it out using a concealer brush. As it's a full coverage concealer, you have to blend it properly. Next, to set my concealer and foundation, I'm using Bharat and Doris loose powder in the shade 07. Now I will be applying the product on all over my face, जो कि मैं generally नहीं करती हूँ. मैं all over face पे powder apply नहीं करती हूँ, but ये जो foundation है ना, ये बहुत जल्द crease होने लगती है. So I'm just applying the product on all over my face and you guys can see that it just instantly mattified my face. Next, to contour my face, I'm using Pactic Cover Concealer in the shade Hot Cocoa. I'm doing cream contouring after ages. I don't know why I have stopped using cream contours. Like nowadays, I prefer bronzing more than contouring. Like I just roughly bronze my face and I'm all good to go. Anyway, so I'm just applying it on hollows of my cheek, then on my jawline, nose, and then on my forehead, and blending it out using a flat angled brush. You guys can see that how seamlessly the product is blending. The only problem with this one कि ये मेरी स्किन टोन से बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क है, सो अगर मैं ज़्यादा अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ ना, देन मेरी फेस बहुत ज़्यादा पैची दिखती है. तो मैंने बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई की है एंड उसको अच्छे से मैं ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. For the blush, I have a new product with me. It's from the brand Glam and it's their sun-kissed flushed glow pressed blush in the shade Rose Apple PB01. This is the first time I'm using this product and this blush is decently pigmented. It has a little bit of shimmer particles in it which is not visible at all, but when you look at the pan, it has a little bit of shimmer thing going on. Next, for the highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter. It's a silver, kind of a silver highlighter and it's quite chalky, so before applying it you have to dust off the excess product and then apply it. Problem नहीं होगी, but अगर आप directly apply कर लेते हो ना, then वो थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा ही apply हो जाती है. तो मैं हमेशा excess product को dust off करके then ये highlighter use करती हूँ. So I'm using a fan brush. Like पहले मैंने एक fan brush से वो apply करने की कोशिश की and then I was like no, यार ये वर्क नहीं कर रही है, and then I switched to a small powder brush. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is from the brand Forever 52, and it's their expressive 36 color eyeshadow palette. So first I will be taking this dark brown shade and I'm putting it on my crease line. बहुत ही roughly apply कर रही हूँ because obviously after that we will blend it out. सो आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग द प्रोडक्ट, बट एक चीज़ आप लोग नोटिस करो कि मैं इसको ऑल ओवर क्रीज लाइन पर अप्लाई नहीं कर रही हूँ, सिर्फ मिडिल ऑफ द क्रीज लाइन तक ही मैं इसको अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. आफ्टर दैट आई विल बी टेकिंग अ स्मॉल ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश एंड आई विल बी टेकिंग दिस बर्न्ट ऑरेंज शेड एंड आई विल ब्लेंड आउट द एजेस. Next I'm taking this light shade and I'm applying it on my brow bone and blending it with that burnt orange shade. After that I will be taking that same dark shade and I will place it on my outer V. Next I will be taking this white shade and I will be applying it on my eyelid. You guys can see that how I'm applying the product, like I'm applying it on all over my eyelid and simultaneously I'm blending it with the brown shade ताकि जो भी colors है वो evenly blended दिखे. If you wish you can layer up the white shade, that's completely up to you. And I'm applying that white shade on my crease line as well, okay. Next for my lower lash line I will be using only two shades. I will be applying that dark brown shade first and then I will be blending it out using that burnt orange shade, and that's all. Now I have applied eyeliner off camera. For the mascara I'm using Color Bar Lash Illusion Mascara Duo. I'm coating my lashes pretty well because I will be applying false eyelashes later on. For the lipstick I will be applying two shades. First I will be applying NYX Powder Puff Lippy in the shade Quiz Pop, and I will top it up with the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nude Dream. And here is my final look. I really hope you guys find this video helpful. As I always say, if you recreate this look then don't forget to tag me on my social medias. I would love to repost that. I am really very active on Instagram, so if you wish you can follow me over there and you can have a conversation with me. Don't forget to check out the description box because purchase links will be mentioned over there. So you don't have to search individually. आप लोग directly वहाँ से जाके purchase कर सकते हो in case you want to buy any of these. And yep, see you guys soon. Bye and take care.